Let me set the scene. You're unwinding after a long day, looking to treat yourself to something that not only pampers, but also gives your skin a radiant boost. Enter the Nykaa Naturals Skin Secrets Bubble Sheet Mask in gold, designed to hydrate, brighten, and give you that fresh, youthful glow we're all after. But does it live up to the promise? Let's find out. Nykaa's Skin Secrets Bubble Sheet Mask is a targeted solution for dull, tired skin. This gold-infused mask is all about rejuvenating your complexion, providing hydration, and tackling the signs of aging. The standout feature? Collagen boosting. It helps slow down collagen depletion, something we all need as our skin matures. It's a game changer for keeping skin elastic and looking youthful. I'll be honest, getting the sheet mask out of the packaging can feel a bit tricky, but once it's on your face, that's when the magic happens. The mask starts to bubble up almost immediately. It's a fun, fizzy experience. The bubbles feel like they're working to lift away impurities while hydrating your skin. There's a light, refreshing scent that's not overwhelming, which makes the whole process even more soothing. Now onto the real test. How does it feel after 15 to 20 minutes of use? My skin felt incredibly soft with a noticeable glow. There was a subtle radiance that didn't disappear as soon as I took it off, which is often the case with some masks. The best part? It didn't leave that sticky feeling behind, just a well-moisturized and smooth finish. If you've been battling dry or dull skin, this could be your new secret weapon. Let's break down the pros and cons here. On the plus side, this mask is super hydrating and leaves skin with a beautiful glow, perfect for an instant pick-me-up. Plus, the anti-aging properties are definitely a bonus for anyone looking to maintain that youthful complexion. I also appreciate the easy-to-use design. Just apply, relax, and let the mask do its thing. On the downside, the mask's fit can be a little big, especially around the eyes and mouth. If you have a smaller face, you might find it slipping around a bit. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. The other thing is that it's a bit pricier compared to some other sheet masks on the market. But if you're looking for something that offers more than just hydration and targets multiple skin concerns like aging and dullness, it might just be worth the splurge. Is it worth the money? Here's the deal. If you're looking for a sheet mask that does more than just moisturize and want one that fights dullness, boosts collagen, and leaves your skin glowing, then this could justify the price. For the ingredients and the experience it delivers, I'd say it's a solid investment for a skincare routine. When comparing it to other sheet masks, what sets this one apart is the focus on collagen boosting and anti-aging. Many masks simply hydrate or refresh, but Nykaa's takes it a step further with its anti-aging formula. If you're someone who's serious about keeping your skin youthful, this could easily be a great addition to your routine. As far as the build quality goes, the mask is well constructed and feels premium. I like that it doesn't slide off my face, even when I'm moving around, so I can actually go about my business while wearing it. The packaging is simple but effective. Nothing over the top, just practical for easy use. Now, if you're wondering if there are alternatives that offer similar benefits for less, there are a few options out there. You can find other gold-infused or collagen-boosting sheet masks, though they might not have the exact formula Nykaa offers here. For a similar experience, look for masks with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid or those that specifically mention collagen boosting, but you might not get the same instant glow or pampering sensation. So what's the final verdict? The Nykaa Skin Secrets Bubble Sheet Mask is a fun, effective option if you're looking for an at-home spa experience with added anti-aging and brightening benefits. It's great for anyone looking to tackle dullness, dryness, or early signs of aging. Despite the minor fit issue and the price tag, it really delivers on hydration and radiance. Thanks for tuning in. If you've used this mask, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experience. And remember, you can grab your own from the link in the comments or the description box below. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.